Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It's your girl chanellenovosey, and today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY farmhouse decor. Now you guys know I am a bling queen, but I wanted to try something different, so I'm going to show you how to DIY farmhouse decor today. First, I'm going to start off by spray painting my containers with this flat white spray paint, and then we'll go ahead and get started with the design. So here's what my tray looks like. I spray painted it on the outside. I didn't spray paint in the inside. And here's what my containers look like. I love this spray paint. It's a flat color. It does have like some sort of a textured feel to it after you spray paint it, but it's not a glossy spray paint, so it gives it that beautiful farmhouse decor look. So next you're going to take a little bit of your black paint and you're going to apply it to a makeup brush. And you're going to apply some black paint to the sides of your lid. So you're going to apply the same method to your tray. Apply a small amount of the black paint all around the sides. I think it's going to look better with it being all the way black, so I'm going to take some more of my black acrylic paint and apply it to the lids of my containers. So next I'm going to take my container and I'm going to add some rope to the top of it and adhere it down with some hot glue. So I wrapped it around twice, and I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the excess and glue it down. I'm going to apply the same method to my other two containers. So next I'm going to take 3 labels that I printed out. I literally used Canva to make this in a princess, I forget the font, label. I'll put it in the description box. And I have sugar, flour, and coffee. So I'm going to cut these out and then I'm going to apply them to some cardstock paper so they can be thicker and then add them to my containers. So next you're just going to take some liquid adhesive, and you can get this from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to apply it to the back of my coffee, sugar, and flour labels. And then I'm going to flip this over to my cardstock paper. And then take your scissors and cut them all out. Next I'm going to take some hot glue and add it to the back of my label and then place it right on the front of the container. So next I'll go ahead and I'll add my containers to the top of my trays. It looks so cute. I just wanted to prop it up so it can give it a little bit more of a look, okay? And next I'm going to take my hot glue gun and glue everything down. So next I'll take my black lids and add them to the containers. And here's the finished product. This turned out absolutely beautiful. This was my first attempt at trying farmhouse decor and I love it. I'm obsessed and I'll definitely be making more videos like this in the future, so stay tuned for that. If you have enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. That way you'll be alerted every time I upload a new video and you don't want to miss these. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have everything I use in the description box. I'll see you all really soon in another DIY. Have a blessed day. Bye.